US affected by outbreak of a drug-resistant bacteria. US health officials at the Center for Disease Control sent out health alerts to doctors across the United States, warning against use of EzriCare's artificial tears, which has caused outbreak of a drug-resistant bacteria, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, across 12 states. The news comes at a time when reports of medicine-related harm from drugs manufactured in India have been reported in Gambia and Uzbekistan, raising serious questions about drug regulatory policy and practices there. In the latest development, EzriCare's artificial tears, which is prescribed to treat irritation and lubricate dry eyes and to help maintain moisture, has caused an outbreak of drug-resistant bacteria, affecting 55 people across 12 states. 5 others have lost their vision, and 1 has died due to the infection. The infection has been traced in blood, urine, and lungs of those affected by the infection. The product EzriCare is made by the Indian drug manufacturer Global Pharma Healthcare. Investigators have found the drug-resistant bacteria inside the EzriCare's bottles. As per Food and Drug Authority, the company has recalled this and another product, Delsam Pharma's artificial tears. FDA has now blocked the import of the product in the United States and recommended the recall, citing manufacturing problems, especially lack of testing and proper controls on packaging. A previous report by the United States Trade Representative found that around 20% of pharmaceutical products produced on the Indian market are counterfeit. India's own official government records reveal that between 2007 and 2020, more than 7,500 drugs sampled in just 3 of India's 28 states and 3 union territories had failed quality tests. India is one of the largest producers and exporters of vaccines and generic drugs, making it among critical players in global pharma supply. Country's pharma industry is anticipated to be worth over $40 billion. The recent report has once again brought into limelight the poor regulations and quality controls practiced by manufacturers. Drug-related fatalities in Gambia, Uzbekistan, and now cases of drug-resistant bacteria may push regulators world over to adopt audits on the quality of drugs manufactured and supplied from India. Importers and regulators world over may demand stricter quality control from drug manufacturers in the country. Unless Indian authorities expand regulatory audit across the domestic pharma industry into manufacturing protocols to prevent such cases, the leading global supplier's credibility may experience a serious dent, especially if any newer cases of drug-related harm appear in the immediate as well as the short term. I'm Usama Nizamani, and this was your Daily Dispatch.